How to get the best possible IELTS score? If you dream to study in any foreign country, any English language test is the first step to your goals. IELTS remains the most popular choice among students that is valid through many countries. Having a great score in IELTS can make the further process of your dream to study in another country easier. Most countries accept the minimum score of band 6.5 overall with no less than 6 band. It differs across countries and courses. Before we delve into how to get the best score, you must know what are you preparing for. IELTS helps understand a person's grasp of the language through 4 modules: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. How to get a high score? Having a good grasp on the language is said to be a prerequisite for getting a good score. However, if you are learning and still figuring out the language, you can still get a high score with dedication and understanding of IELTS. Basic understanding of English and standard knowledge of grammar are a good set of basics to start with. A rich vocabulary, fluency in reading comprehension, writing variety of sentences, listening comprehension, and speaking with ease and confidence are add-ons. Understanding the exam format for IELTS is the most important step. If you have a clear understanding of what is the expectation associated with the exam, you will be able to achieve the score of your dreams. While the time taken to improve your overall level of English will vary depending on your grasp of the language, familiarizing yourself with the specific IELTS requirements and becoming acquainted with the exam format is an important step. Essentials for a better IELTS score. There are 4 essentials for having a good score in IELTS. 1. Improve your overall English competency. Start working on improving your English language skills in real time, as it will help you when you study abroad to communicate your ideas and much more. Start with using English in your day-to-day life. Switch your entertainment language to English. Watch English movies, videos, shows, listen to podcasts, and read English books. This will help you with widening your vocabulary and understanding grammar. Also take every opportunity to speak in English. 2. Begin your preparation early and be consistent. While everyone's grasping power differs, starting early will help you to be ahead of the curve, especially if you are beginning to prepare for IELTS. When you begin early, you have ample time to understand the requirements and hone your language to get the desired score. While beginning early is an advantage, but being consistent will improve your skills at the end of the day. 3. Understand the IELTS exam pattern. The IELTS exam pattern has 4 modules: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Each of the module has different patterns and distinct areas that they target to test. Understanding of the modules and exam pattern can help you understand your strengths. For instance, while studying, you figure out that you are great at listening but struggle with writing, so you can give more time to the writing module. 4. Set your goals and keep track of your progress. Your desired IELTS score will be dependent on the university, course, and the country that you choose. Setting your goal will help you work towards it in a more directed manner. Just preparing blindly will not take you towards the goal. While you are preparing every day, regularly taking mock tests will make your progress visible and help you understand the improvement areas. While understanding the basics is important, it is just the first step. Do you want to know more about IELTS and studying abroad? Reach out to us through the mail or phone number in the description box.